Yeah, another amazing event at the CCA tonight. They always surprise me because although you work with the students all year and you see the work developing, I think it's when you see it all brought together like that. And of course, we're actually missing. There's lots of work that you don't get to see in the showcase, and it's all brilliant as well. But it's that curated kind of sense of bringing everything together, and the quality is, singer-songwriters, country music, folk music, rap, and Christy Ringrose. So we've got the amazing people who understand the language of popular music, but you've also got, I think, in Polaroid people, a band who are questioning and challenging Scottish hip hop and funk and jazz as well, and actually meshing that together in a really interesting way. And Christy, coming from that incredibly theatrical, eyes wide open, hello trees, hello sky, sort of approach to make music. What happens if I make myself a conduit for God in music? All those kind of big things. She does it so well. But then you've got that, quick come up, 3-part harmony. Somebody said, Douglas Stewart said to me tonight, it's like Crosby, Stills, Nash and Joni Mitchell. So it's got that kind of sense of rooting in classic music. The guy who got the first award tonight is a guy called Stuart Guffey, who joined us in third year with an HND, which is a reasonably unusual route into university. Traditionally, you start first year, go through. He joined with an HND at third year. He got to the end of fourth year, and he scored the highest mark in any dissertation that we've ever given, well into the 90s. That's not easy to do. Even the creative projects, we expect those to really be underpinned by concept, by levels of theory, and really build, we ask the students to build a framework to support the way that their project is understood by them and by other people. Yeah, I'm hoping that some of the people that perform tonight will come and do the Masters in Songwriting. I think that would be really a good plan for many of them. Commercial music students and MA music students, in our experience, are able to go into the world and do a whole range of things. And it's not always, I'm going to go and work as a booker in a bar or work as an agent or whatever. Sometimes they're doing a bit of that. They're also doing a bit of songwriting. They're maybe doing some community music work. We try and equip our students with a broad range of not just skills, but passions. I come in here and I've learned how to do this, I've learned how to do that. I've been given space to develop a broad range of things within the creative industries. They can do anything they want to do.